All right, I'm going to show you where my Christmas patterns are because Christmas is coming. So if you go to my patterns, I have hat patterns, afghans, flowers, scarves, holidays, headbands, baby items, bags, booties, coasters, miscellaneous, which is anything, washcloths, and doily. Go to holidays. This is Amy's crochet patterns, which is down below in the link. And here is a Christmas pattern. Here are trees, another tree, turkey, bulbs, bells, a little mini hat, holly, star. And you have to scroll down and see there's coaster, Halloween, turkey, tree, some more trees, a bell. This is a snowflake, a tree, candy cane holder, wreath, the angel. That angel is pretty popular. Stocking for pumpkins for Halloween. Stocking, that's a mini stocking. I don't think it's the farther you go, these are like older patterns. And then if you go to, I will have a playlist down below, and this is my playlist. It will say Crochet Christmas Videos. So for my videos, I have the tree, the angel, Santa, star, candy cane holder, which is one of my popular ones, snowflake, wreath, snowflake, or yeah, the snowflake again, bell, a star, Christmas star, some Santa boot cuffs, tutorials, mini hat and candy cane tutorial, a coaster for holidays, and then reindeer, trees, another tree. And this is pretty much like a Santa hat for toddlers. This is pretty much all of the Christmas stuff. This is paperclip ice skates for Christmas as well, and some stars and a mini hat. Okay, so you can always come here. Of course, I have a bunch of playlists that have like a bunch of scarves and winter stuff and hats and everything like that. Okay, just want to have you familiar with where you can find my patterns for Christmas because I know Christmas is coming. So you can try that, and all my links are down below. So thank you for watching.